Hello friends, now to solve this mathematical expression we apply the BODMAS rule which dictates the order of operation. First we solve bracket, small bracket, curly bracket, then square bracket. Then we solve O. O stand for of we convert into multiplication and square roots, some cube roots and exponents. And then after we solve division, D stand for division, M stand for multiplication, A stand for addition, S stand for subtraction. Now according to this BODMAS sequence, we'll break it down this expression by this step-by-step solution. Now first step division. First we look for any division operations. There are two instances of 1 divided by 1. As you can see here, there is 2. 1 divided by 1 is equal to 1. So, according to this, division has a higher priority than the multiplication and addition. So, now the expression become 1 plus 1 multiplied by 1 plus 1 again plus 1 multiplied by 1 and then plus 1. So now the second step, multiplication. Next we perform the multiplication operation. There are two instances of multiplication, 1 is to 1, 1 is to 1. So now 1 into 1 is equal to 1 and the expression becomes 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 and then plus 1. According to this, the BODMAS says multiplication is performed after the division but before addition. So now the third step, addition. Finally we add all the remaining terms together. So now 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals to 5 and 5 is the final answer. According to this step, addition is the final step in this specific problem as there are no subtractions. Conclusion says, by following the BODMAS hierarchy, we ensure that the operations are proceed in the correct logical order. If we had simply calculated from left to right, the result might have been different but mathematically incorrect. So the final value of this expression is 5. So I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. Bye bye.